everyone! Good evening! Finally, naanadyo dito sa Narathiwat. Naabot mi ganina mga almost 4 in the afternoon. Then here's sa Narathiwat, guys. Narathiwat is very close to Malaysia na. Naanadyo sa south. Yes! And we are at the bird's eye. Bird's eye. I don't know if it's a bird's eye. A park. Yan siya. So come on, join us. Oo. So, mo gani guys, layo kay siya, gikan siya sa haga ni oy. Sa Ubon Ratchatani where I worked at. It's more than 24 hours drive siguro. As in, basta 1,000 plus kilometers. Dugay kaayo maabot. so from Hatchay, we flew to Hatyai because Kuya is there working at Hatyai. And then we came here today. We're going to spend a few days here. And yeah, let's just enjoy the day. And by the way, today's my birthday. Wow. No, okay, bye-bye. Adam. There's a balloon over there, oh. Baby duck. Gusto siya makiklik sa baby. Oh, centipede. Centipede, oh. Centipede. Apa na ito centipede? Look. Look siya. Centipede, where's the centipede? Adam. Kid. Oh. Come here. Where's the centipede? Come on. Centipede. Look niya. Dali na. Where's the centipede, Adam?
Pinalamigas man dito lang.
Ha? Where's the centipede? Ha? Oh, come here, oh. Naadiri, oh, diri lang ta, oh.
Ants.
Come here.
Ato lang birahon niyo. Bira.
Dito man sila padulong, oh.
Bira lang gabi na.
Na. PikNik.
Birthday to
Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Happy birthday, Mimi. Wow, thank you so much. It's okay. Honestly, this year, there are so many things that happened in my life, and God has blessed me tremendously, and I cannot thank Him enough of all the things that I have received. I'm so blessed with a loving family, very supportive family, and also I am blessed with friends, and I am blessed with all that I have right now. Hi! Sa'yo mong kaundong? Wala na? Ice. Yeah. Bye-bye. More what? More? Basa. Bye-bye! More.